Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add stylish info box with icon in WordPress. Right now I am on my WordPress dashboard. I need to install a plugin. I am going to add new plugin page. After that, search here with Kadence. This is the plugin Gutenberg block with AI by Kadence WP. We need to install and activate this plugin. I already installed and activated this plugin. I am going my all post section. I am going to edit this post. After this list, I want to add the info box. Click on this plus icon, add block. After clicking here, search with info. You will find this info box and this block is coming from Kadence Block. Select a stylish info box already added. If I click on this info box and come to the right side, you see block is automatically selected. And right now I am on general settings. In this section, we have 6 different style info box. Which one you like, just click, your box design will change. You see I clicked second one, box design changed. If I click third one, again change. Fourth one, fifth, sixth, which one you like, you can select that one just clicking here. Next option is link. If you wish, you can make hyperlink the box. For example, I want to give link my website homepage and I am making it link in a new tab and giving enter. And next option is link content. If I click on this arrow icon, it's saying, do you want to make link for the entire box? I mean full box will be linked, or do you want to add only learn more text is hyperlink? So which one you like, you can select that one. Or if you don't want to make this box linking, just click here and remove this link. That's all. Come to the next option, that is content align. Right now it's on align center. If you wish, you can make it align left, you can make it align right, or align center. Those are the general settings. Now I am going to the style settings, this one. Click on style. After clicking, my first option is background. If I click here, I can select the background color. For example, this one, this one. Which color you love, you can give the background color. Even you can select background color from here also. This is the normal background color. If you wish, you can make the background color for hover. If I come to the hover section, I can select hover background color also. For example, I selected this color and when I'm hovering here, color is going to change. Again, I'm coming back to the normal. Next option is border. What should be the border color? Right now, the border color is this one. If you want, you can change the border color by clicking here and you can select your desired color. Next option is border width, I mean thickness. By default, it's 5 pixel. If you wish, you can reduce or you can increase. Next option is border radius. By default, it's 30 pixel border radius all of the side. I mean this one, and the left side 30 pixel. But if you wish, you can make the change from here. Like I want to make right 10 pixel and left 10 pixel. So design will be like this. Next option is box shadow. If I enable this one and if I select a color here, as example, I am selecting this color as a box shadow and I am giving here 2, 2, 2 and 2. You see, there has a box shadow. Next option is media settings. Click the right side arrow icon. First option is media align. By default, it's on top, but if I select left, then media will be on left. If I select right, it will be on right, and top, it will be on top. Media type, this is the next option. By default, it's the icon, but if you wish, you can use image, number, or none. If I give none, then this media will be vanish. Or if you select the number, then it will be 1, 2, 3 like this. And if I select the image, I can add the image here. For example, I am adding this as a media here. You see image is selected here, but I think icon is perfect. I am making it again icon, and after selecting the icon you can select lots of icon from here. If I click on right arrow, there is lots of icon. Which one you like, you just select that one and that icon will display there. Next option is icon size. You can change the icon size by dragging it. Icon border, it's talking about this icon border. Icon border radius, if you wish you can make the radius. Right now it's circle radius, that's why 200 pixel. Icon hover animation, right now it's none, but if you wish you can border spin in, or you can make flip to another icon. If I select flip to another icon, after that below I will get option to add another icon. I am clicking the right arrow. After that I am selecting another icon, this one. When I am hovering, you see icon is going to change. Come to the next option. If you wish you can change the icon color, icon background, and icon border. Next option is media padding. By default it's 20 pixel. And next is media margin. You can input the media margin here and that will reflect here. Next, come to the title settings. First option is show title or disable title. If I disable title here, then title will not display here. I'm selecting the show title and it's displaying here now. After that, there is title color. This is the normal color and this is the hover color. For example, normal color is default, but I want to change it to this color. You see title color change. Or I want to make it the red color. This is changed. And right side, this is the hover color. This would be my hover color. When I am hovering here, you see color is going to change. And what would be the title HTML tag? I mean, it would be heading 2, 3, 4. And next option is font size. What would be the title font size? If you don't select anything, it will get automatically from your theme settings: line height, letter case, font family, font weight, letter spacing, padding. You can change all of those things from here. If I come to the next option, this is text setting. Text settings means this text. I'm clicking the right side arrow. It's as like same of the title settings. I can change the text color, font size, line height, letter case, font family, font weight, letter spacing, padding, margin, everything I can customize from here. And next option is learn more settings. If I click the right arrow, if I select show learn more text, I am selecting this one and you see this is the learn more text. You can make the hyperlink for this text. And here also has the same settings: text color, background color, border color, and learn more border width, border radius, font size, line height. I mean everything as like heading or text you can change and customize from here. If you want to give the link for learn more, then you have to go to the general settings and here link content link. You should select only learn more text and you have to give the URL here. Then this learn more text will be linked. And next, if I come to the advanced settings, there has option for padding, margin, max width, set height 100%. Which option you need, you can change. And this design is 100% responsive design. It will be perfectly fit for the mobile. If I save and view the post, how it looks like, by default it looks like this. And if I hover it, and it looks like this one. I think after watching this tutorial, you can easily make this info box for your website or blog, and you can customize it as per your expectation, and you can make more stylish box. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and uploading, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.